guys, and welcome to SimpleKidsCrafts.com. My name is Merve, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make this mini doll crib that you can also use as a bed for Kelly dolls. You can use this bed for Chelsea dolls and for smaller dolls that are 4 to 6 inches. This is a very easy craft to make, so let's get started. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye! And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos from my channel.